Hi guys, update time again. What you're looking at here is a new quadcopter at the middle of the building. It's got 28 WS2812 RGB LEDs. Each one can be set to a different colour. They're all programmable. Over here we've got a Flip 32 running Cleanflight. And we've got a FR Sky receiver and a Turnigy 9XR with an FR Sky transmitter. Okay, so the green LEDs on the edge indicate that it's disarmed, the white ones indicate the front, the red ones indicate the back. If the battery was low, any LED configured to show the battery warning would be flashing between red and off. If I was to enable the copter, as in to arm it, with a switch that I've got on my transmitter there, you see that the corner LEDs are configured to show the armed state, and therefore they change between green and blue. You can see the flight modes as well. So that one is, I think that was Horizon there. We've got other modes like so. So you've got mag and head free and so on. So basically you get different colours depending on what modes you've got enabled. Some modes take precedence over other modes. And finally you get turn indicators as well. So if I push the stick, which hopefully you can see, if I push it left, the LEDs on the left flash, push it right, LEDs on the right flash, forwards, front ones flash, backwards, back ones flash. Push it in a diagonal, the ones in that corner, in the corresponding corner flash. And here we can see me doing it for each of the different corners. If I push the stick a little bit, they flash a little bit. If I push it a lot, they flash a lot. The camera's a bit slow to pick it up, but in real life it looks much better. It's very noticeable. And it'll do that regardless of whether it's armed or disarmed. At the moment, all the LEDs are hard-coded to have the functions that they've got. The latest code base has got that configured. It's also hard-coded to use 28 LEDs. However, the code is flexible enough so that you can define your own configurations. If we have a quick look at some of the code, we can have a quick look at LED strip. And if I scroll this up here, we can see that there's LED configs. Hopefully this will come out when you look at it on your screen. But basically you can see that you define each LED to have an X and a Y position, and then you tell it the direction that it's facing. So here this one is facing south, another one facing east, north, some down here face west. And then for each LED you say what you want it to do. So you can have it to display the mode, you can have it display the battery, you can have it display the arm state, and you can have it display the indicators. They're all combinable. Some functions override other functions. So the idea is that you'll be able to configure this via the CLI at some point using like a short string like north, south, east, west, and then mode numbers and things like that. That's not implemented yet, but if you want to check out the code, you can. Yep, there we go. And you can also define your own mode colours and things like that in here as well. So there we go. It's a good evening's work. All right. See you later.